apis and arnica.
What did you have belladonna for?
My earache. It worked and the earache went away. The apis one is made from bee stings. It works to take away bee stings. I like it. I've taken Magfoss and it helped my earache. And this one is arnica, and I had arnica because I had a bruise. I used to take antibiotics.
And which do you think is better for your body, antibiotics or remedies?
Remedies.
I've used several remedies, including the gelsinium, the Nux vomica, just one that I took last night for a sore I had in my mouth. Heparisol, it worked after 10 minutes.
Hi, my name is Sarah Barrington. I've always been very interested in natural things and not using chemicals in my body. And when I had children, that belief became strengthened, and I realised I really didn't want to put any chemicals into their bodies. So that's when I started really frequenting our local health food shop, Food for Life, and I got to know the homeopath who's there. His name's Abbas. And we would always have conversations, and I would ask him about things my children were going through, and he would recommend things, but he never actually recommended any remedies for me until he said that I should purchase a homeopathic first aid kit. And so I thought, okay, well, that's probably going to be bandages, maybe some homeopathic cream, something like that. So when it arrived, this arrived in the post, and this is what it looked like. And see all those tiny little capsules? I had no idea what to do with this. So I phoned Tal Clue, who had sent it to me, and I asked her what to do with it, and she kind of explained how you take the remedies and how you choose them. But it just wasn't enough for me. I really needed to find out more. So I looked at her website, and it said she had studied at the Irish School of Homeopathy. So I called the Irish School of Homeopathy, and I spoke to Jerry, and he said, well, the 4-year course has already started, but you could do a one-day course. And I said, I'll do the one-day course, but I think I'd like to do the 4-year course. And so I started on the four-year course in November, and I haven't looked back since. It's been absolutely amazing. Jerry's been amazing, so thank you. And I've just learned so much.
I think it's brilliant. For the most things that happen from day to day with myself or with the kids, yeah, she can sort all that stuff out, which is really handy to have in the house.
I feel my body shining for the rest of us from beginning.
How old are you?
There's no doubt in my
What's this?
Mega.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Do they taste nice?
Yeah.
Oh, can I have it back?
No.
Why?
Back.
Okay, thank you.
Back.